essentially we start with the teachers, and they bring up any students to the resource department that they're concerned about. Teachers also are very concerned about students' level. Like they want to teach where they're at, but they need to be able to pass the ministry exams. So that's where the resource department comes into play. It could be through accommodations during class time. It could be laptops to practice software, word queue. It could be a quiet space to support anxiety needs. And we adjust and reevaluate all throughout the term, or even when they come back another term. So for example, if a student who needs supports is concerned about a group presentation, I can just brainstorm with the teacher on, okay, why can't they individually present the material? And it could be at a separate time. And then it'll take away anxiety. It'll take away any kind of social disparities. I don't know what the word is there, but like, like any hurdles they would have for meeting the class expectations, which all you have to do is let them present individually and it's solved. So to remove barriers in the classroom, it is the best when we have communication with teachers and the resource department, because we can strategize different ways for students to represent their knowledge, whether it's a one-on-one teacher-student presentation, whether it's voice recording of their answers, or being tested in an isolated setting. It can all be done through the support of the resource and the teacher.